Welcome.
Wow. Wow.
Wait for the luggage.
It's so good. This is our hotel for 4 days. Maniapan Suite. So, di ako magstay. Like, open bathtub. Open bathroom. There, so nice. And that's me. Happy birthday to me. This is our view every morning. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Good morning. So, muna ang first room, which is the master's bedroom. And then muna ang second room, na siya duha ka 2 single beds. Diri nagsi akong duha ka cousin, si Ro and si Rosalie. Naray lang gamit. So, ano siya? It's so good. And then they also have their own bathroom, shower, and toilet. And let's go upstairs. Ta-da! So this is our living area. And of course, our amazing $1 million view. I'll show you guys. That's our view there. Amazing. We also have a barbecue grill and 2 folding bed. If you want to do some sunbathing, you can do that. And this is where we will eat every morning. This one will turn into a double bed. So akong cousin and her friend will stay here. And our indoor dining table. And of course, our kitchen. Our massive fridge. It's empty, but we're gonna go for grocery shopping later to fill this fridge. And we can also cook here. And then toaster, coffee maker, a kettle. So nice. And a microwave. We also have microwave. And we also have Wi-Fi. So this is the view upstairs. And we also have one toilet. Just toilet. Lastly, washing. That's it.